Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zoe. Today I will show you how to draw rabbit. Rabbit is very cute animal. I want to show you how to use a unique scale to make your rabbit look very furry. So let's start it. First we use pencil to draw a draft. So first I want to put the rabbit one here. Another here. Okay, we got the first one. Now we need to add some detail. Okay, now I basically finished the pencil part. So next step is find a tiny brush, dark color, do a basic structure for the rabbit. This color, little bit green, little bit brown, mixed together. So we put the color here, leave some place here. Okay, let this brush observe water. Like that. Here, clean brush. We want to blur the edge, so okay. Use a clean brush. Okay, use a clean brush. We need to do it faster, otherwise the color will be dry soon, so we cannot burn the edge. I just realized I forgot the green color, so I want to put a little bit on here, add some green. Okay, so far we finished this part and I want to wait until this dry, so let's do this rabbit. First wash our brush. We use this color, more water. Now it's very good. So we first put the color here. Be careful about these two rabbits. They might melt together because if you put too much water, these two colors might melt together. So we put them separate. If you put too much water, you can use paper, like a paper towel, some toilet paper, napkin, anything to observe the water. This one is not dry yet. This one also not dry. Remember to wash your brush. Wash your brush carefully, like for this is not clean enough, so you need to wash it more. Now this is clean. If you wash it many times and still not clean enough, you can put your brush, just put it inside the water for a while, then it will be easier to clean it. Ooh. also this eye. Be careful, girl. Now let's wait it fully dry. So now those paintings are dry now. We can use the brush, make it look like that. Choose some dark color. Okay, now this works well. This rabbit is drier, so we start from this one. We use the brush like that. When you do the hair, you can be on the edge of the color you drew before. Around eyes, this part need to darker. Now we can use the small brush. First, choose the light brown color, very light, maybe a little bit yellow, to draw the eye. This one, then you choose red and yellow. Choose dark red, a little bit, to draw the eye. I put some black with the red. Make this color darker. So for this rabbit, we just use black, that will be fine. So I use some red color, some more water, draw the ear. I think this rabbit is not as dark as what I want. I want it more dark as a contrast with this one, so I want to put more water. Do it again. Need some clean water. So now we finish the rabbit part. What I want to do is wait until dry to do the beard. So let's do the branch now. My fingers keep touching the painting, then left some watermark. Learn from it. Okay, now it's leaves. I'm going too crazy. This tells us you should keep your water on this side, on the left side, so you wouldn't make your painting dirty. Then we use a clean brush. Oh, forgot one leaf. Maybe a little bit red. Ew. Look. Now I pay more attention to my finger, so I was really careful about those leaves. Use small brush, use some brown color. Connect the flower with branch. So this is the final painting. So what do you feel about it? I finally finished this painting. What do you feel about it? Look, these two rabbits, they are so cute, and these leaves, they have some cover for the rabbit, and this rabbit cover this one. So it's a black rabbit and the brown rabbit. How do you feel about this painting? Do you have any ideas what they are doing, or do you like it or not? You can make comment below. And thank you for watching my video. I'm Zoe. Please don't forget about to subscribe my channel. I'm really appreciate you have more interesting ideas so I can work for making more interesting content for you. You can try one for your own rabbit, and I wish you could enjoy it. And I think that's it. See you next time.